This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Well, if you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this video, I am doing a video on a site where you can, if you are new to internet marketing or affiliate marketing, and you want to be able to promote your link to opportunities that you are in to people you don't know. And I am using a site called Global Safelist. Safelist is basically a platform where you're able to earn. You click on messages, ads in your inbox, then you earn credits, and those credits allow you to create your own email to send out to the members on the platform as well. So this gets you access to people that you don't know. If you're not into doing YouTube videos or posting in Facebook groups and you want to just send out a simple email to people that will come across your opportunity, this is one way that you can do it. So Global Safelist is free. They do have upgraded versions where you can upgrade. I have not upgraded yet. But what I'm doing is when you sign up, you're simply going to click on, once you sign up and click, my link will be in the description, in my link tree. So what you're going to do is click on the link. All right. Well, first of all, when you sign up, you're going to sign up and then you're going to go to where it says inbox ads. All right. And then you're going to see these ads in your inbox, and all of them say no because I need to view them and I'll earn points. So you click on it. These are solo ads. Now, solo ads is something you can purchase on this platform, meaning that this is a solo ad that someone purchased in the system. It's very cheap for solo ads. I'll show you that in a minute. But what you're going to do is just come here and click. So you'll have this: sick of buying traffic that doesn't convert, get leads and sales fast. So the link is here for you to check out what they have. But you click this link to earn the credit. It'll take you to their platform, which obviously it doesn't work. And you click that number there, and you were credited by 300 credits. Okay, so, let me close out this. I'm sorry, guys. So now, then you go to the next one, and you're going to do the same thing. You go down to where it says, this look like I clicked on it already because it said it's expired, it's a bad one. Then you go to the next one. Okay, some of these solo ads are repeats because it looks like no one has purchased any. So want 39 instant cash app payments. This is a program I've definitely seen on YouTube where someone's promoting their 39 cash alive program. So these all I've clicked on before. So, but then down here is, so these are ads from latest 5 contact solo ads. And then this one is latest ads from executive members. These are upgraded members, and then pro members, and then free members. So your free members, when people look at them, they're going to be down here, and you can click and watch all of these ads, and you're going to earn credits. Once you earn these credits, you're able to go ahead and promote your own opportunity. So click 68, and then I earn 30 credits for that one. So you earn more credits for the solo ads, it looks like. And then for the freebies, free members, click on that. And then it tells you what number to click to make sure you're not a robot. 30 ads. So you run into a lot of different opportunities, and by doing this, that can help you get traffic to your opportunities. Okay, so I've done that. I'm going to go to my home page. I have 1,270 credits built up. So what I want to do is go ahead and send out messages. Now I've already created one. If you wanted to create one, you go to credit mailer, and this is where you would create your advertisement. So you will put the name, the subject, you put something in this box breaking down information, and then you will put the link to your opportunity here. And then you're going to put how many credits you want. Of these, you have 1,270. You can do is, you don't have to use all of them if you don't want to, but I have one saved here so you guys can see it. All right, so if I go here, this is what my message is going to look like. This is my title. This is what I have written in here, and then I have a link to the opportunity. All right, and then so I save that. When as a free member, you can only save one message. So I'm going to go ahead and click send. All right, so now it's here. All right, I started it and now I have it here. And let me just do some editing here. All right, so I want to go ahead and use all of my credits because I'll do some clicking. Do I want to save this message? I'm going to click no, because I'll probably won't do another one like this. Well, no, I'm going to save it because I might promote this again. Click send. Mailing in process. You will receive an email notification when delivery is complete. So when delivery is complete, I will receive an email saying, okay, your delivery has been completed. All right. Now, again, this is a great, now the solo ads, if you want to do solo ads, you're able to do that by going here and purchasing solo ads. So to send solo ads, lists email to free members, pro members, or executive members, a total of 10,810 members. That's how many members they have in the system. It will be delivered within 24 hours, and you're only going to pay $3.89. And then here is, you're able to do 2 different ads every 48 hours. And then here, your solo ad campaign 1 contact solo ads. This says emails delivered to contact email and all active members. These ads are also credit emails, meaning in addition to great email exposure to thousands, you will receive hundreds of real visitors to your site. So these are different ways you can purchase advertising to send people to your opportunities. So if you're not one to do, like I said, YouTube videos or go in people's inbox and things of that sort, this is something you may want to do. It's free to join. I'll probably come and do some other videos on how to do the purchase solo ads. I might give that a try in this platform. The link to this will be in my link tree. And let's see what this compare is. So this here breaks down the differences in the from the free to the pro to the executive and how much it costs. The $5.95 is the pro. You're going to get send to 75, send to number of members is 7,500. Save messages, you can save up to 10. Credits for reading messages, you're going to get 50. Sign up credits, 75,000. So there's upgrading. You'll get more, but you also get affiliate income if you do upgrade. I have not upgraded yet. If I decide to upgrade, I'll definitely be doing a video on the upgrade to show how beneficial that is. So that is it. That is all, guys. So if you're looking for a way to market your opportunities that you're in to someone, whether it's um, Pays Forever or Novatech or any a platform, what they don't want you to do is, well, not this system program. So other traffic source opportunities, things, anything that you may be marketing. Maybe it's a clothing business you want to get eyes on. Maybe you do have a YouTube channel and you want to get more people on to look at your YouTube video. You're able to do that. As well, but you're going to need another program for that, which I will be sharing with you on how to do that, how I'm doing that. So if you want to learn how to do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. And till next time, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.
Next level slayer. Welcome to the